What is a private membership association, PMA, and everything you need to know on today's video. Stay tuned.
There aren't uprisings all over the country, and maybe there will be.
People need to start taking to the streets. This is a dictator.
Enemies of the state.
Show me where it says that protests are supposed to be polite and peaceful.
Hey, what's up everyone? Aaron here. Welcome to today's video. And like I said, this video is about PMAs and everything you need to know. So we're going to talk about all aspects of PMAs, and we're going to try to do it in under 10 minutes. So let's dive in. What is a private membership association, or PMA? Essentially, a PMA is a private club or organization that limits its membership to individuals who share a common interest or belief. These associations are not open to the general public and are not subject to the same laws and regulations as public entities. Now, one main benefit of joining a PMA, or private membership association, or unincorporated association, is the right of association. Members are able to gather with like-minded individuals to engage in activities and discussions that may not be possible in public settings. Additionally, PMAs can provide their member with access to exclusive resources and services, such as educational programs, networking opportunities, and discounts on goods and services. Now, who wouldn't want to join a PMA knowing that those are some of the benefits, especially in the climate that this world is in currently? However, there are some drawbacks to joining a private membership association, unincorporated association. Those words can be used interchangeably, so I guess we'll just stick with PMA. Now, some of those drawbacks are, for one, memberships can be expensive and exclusive, limiting access to those who may not be able to afford it. Additionally, PMAs may not be subject to the same legal and regulatory protections as a public entity, which can create risks for members in terms of liability and accountability. Now, if you are thinking of joining an association, those are just some of the things that you need to think about. So you want to make sure, if you are going to join an association, you take a read over their bylaws and their articles of organization and their membership agreement before joining. It is also important to note that PMAs are not exempt from all laws and regulations. They are still subject to certain legal requirements, such as contract law and tax law. However, they may have more flexibility in terms on how they operate and the rules they establish for their members. If you're considering joining a PMA, it's important that you do your research and fully understand the legal and financial implications. Now, also, like I said before, make sure you read over any contracts and you understand exactly what you're signing before joining any association. Now, there are a bunch of associations across the US, and a quick search on the internet will help you find some of these associations, everything from whole milk to free range chickens and everything in between. So if you are looking for a list, I am slowly but surely putting a list together over on East Coast PMA. Link will be down below. Hopefully you found this quick video informative and helpful in your search for whether you want to join an association or not. And if you do have questions, use the comments down below. I love seeing your questions and I will answer them in a video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.